Let me know that one thing you can't wait to do after a long busy day, because for me, walking into my home brings such a relief. So today I'm going to share my get on ready with me. You guys are going to be spending the evening with me because it was such a busy day, guys, but I'm just so happy to be back home. You guys are going to be cooking. You guys are just going to be literally spending the evening with me, guys. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. You guys know a busy day requires a cool, relaxing evening, but if you're a mom, you know that is far from the case, guys. But you guys, today was such a very busy day for me. I left my home in the afternoon and I had few errands, like major errands to run. But once I step into my home, guys, I love to get myself a glass of water, a glass of juice, anything just to cool me down. Of course, coming from outside now, you gotta face the kids and everything. But you guys, I just took my cup of very cold juice, and once I get that done, this is the time I always kind of used to step down. You know how like when you're outside it's so busy, you're just running up and down, but it's like once you enter your house, like you're just free. And yeah, this is the time sometimes I get to just look at my phone, know what's going on, read my emails, my messages, whatever it is, and then head down to go and just put everything out, because I'm not used to wearing whatever it is I wore out, to maybe like I'm not used to. Once I come home, guys, I head straight to pull off everything and just remove, even sometimes right from the door I'm already taking off my wig, but because I'm filming, guys, of course I had to just put on the wig. But anyways, guys, I just love to take like two things I love to take out when I'm done for the day is my wig and also my bra. Let me know if these two things are things. I feel like this is two staple things almost every woman do, guys. Like once you're done for the day, sometimes even in the car, I just pull off my wig in the car because I can't, like, you guys, I can't come and keep myself. But anyways, guys, I just went ahead and literally undressed. I took out my shoes, my jewelries, and now I'm just going to change into my kind of my lounge wear because I need to go take off my makeup. Another thing, I also I can't be comfortable just wearing makeup at home. So once I get that done, of course, as you guys can see, I head to the bathroom, take off my lashes. Just we gotta take off all those makeup. Honestly, guys, judging from where my skin is coming from, it looks as though we are finally on our way to a clearer skin, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Believe Skincare for today's video. I'm going to be using their Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser to gently cleanse and remove all the impurities and leftover makeup on my face. And this actually comes in their Glow on the Go holiday travel kit. Like, I love the fact it comes in a kit, so that way you can check it out first before purchasing the full size. And I also have their Moisturizing Balm Holiday Home and Away set, which comes with one full size and one 25 ml size. All these are their limited edition holiday sets available at Sephora. If you watch my video, guys, you already know my struggles with acne, and honestly, I feel so happy whenever I use a product that actually works for my skin. And with the cleanser, guys, basically you're supposed to wet your skin and then apply it. And one thing I absolutely love about this cleanser is, you know how some cleansers leaves you dry? This one right here, it hydrates your skin while cleansing it, and also it just leaves you with that very nice moisturized skin. I've honestly been of the opinion that if you have an oily skin, you don't need a moisturizer, but that is not true, guys. When you see a moisturizer that works, oh my gosh, it leaves your skin really, really hydrated, moisturized, smooth, supple. That is exactly what I've been experiencing with this particular moisturizer ever since I started using it, guys, and it smells amazing. I absolutely love it. You guys can see, like, can you believe this is my skin? Like, oh my gosh, even my acne scarring, everything is disappearing. Oh, I'm just so happy, guys. And of course, you can definitely check out Sephora.com or Sephora in store, because they're going to be having a Sephora VIP sale. So we have the VIP Rogue, which will be starting by October 28th. And with this, you can get 20% off. And then we have the VIP 15% off, Beauty Insider 10% off. Definitely check my description box for all the details, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, now I feel like I'm home. You know how like you taking off your makeup, removing your clothes is like, okay, I'm home now. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly prepare dinner, guys. This is definitely like this food right here, or this meal right here, is definitely gonna take me less than 30 minutes, guys. So basically, I just go ahead and cut up my vegetables. I cut up some onions, some tomatoes, some pepper, some carrots. You know, we are making a very simple vegetable jollof rice. I don't even know what to call this. It's kind of, you're using an instant pot. You know how when you're using instant pot, you just put your rice, you put all the ingredients and just pour whatever it is. Like, I was just so tired, but of course I had to make dinner, so I'm making a very quick, easy jollof rice. And once I go ahead and just cut up all my vegetables, I go ahead and add it to my pot. Just fry up the vegetable a little bit. You know, the tomato is still going to give it that very nice jollof rice color. And also with this one right here, I would say is jollof curry rice, or rice. I don't even know what to say, but there is this type of rice that I was craving, you know. So of course with this, you gotta make it with some veggies. And also I added some chicken stock. And the chicken stock, instead of you to add the water that you would usually add, you know, while making your jollof rice, you're just gonna switch it up with your chicken stock and basically pour in your rice, and that is it, guys. So while my rice, as you all can see, my rice is still cooking, I just took out the time to quickly do the dishes, because once I eat, guys, like I was so tired, but you know, I knew that once I eat, it's gonna be difficult for me to clean out my kitchen. So with my last trends, I'm basically just using it to clean out my kitchen, make sure my sink is clean. I love it when I wake up in the morning, you know, to meet a clean and dish-free kitchen. So, and also for the rice, I made some baked chicken, and also I made some broccoli, you know, as a side for the rice. I didn't show all that, but yeah, you know, I just took out the time, did my dishes, and you know, also cleaned my countertop, because we need the kitchen to be as clean as possible. And also when I'm serving, you know, especially at night, guys, we just use paper plates. Paper plate is way to go, because there is no washing. Everybody, once we're all done with eating, we just throw it right inside the trash. That is, you know, one thing I absolutely love about paper plates. Here we are, dinner is served, dinner is ready. I'm just going to dish it in our paper plate, add some broccoli, add some chicken, and that is it, guys. I'm just so happy that I was able to kind of clean up the kitchen before finally dishing food and eating, because I was definitely tired, guys. But before, you know, I rounded up for the night, I decided to put my flowers in a jar, because I picked up a bunch of flowers on my way back from home. I just love having fresh flowers in my home, guys. Like literally every week or every other week, I always love to pick up fresh flowers. And this one right here, oh my gosh, I just wanted a white flower, so I picked up 2 bunches of, I don't even know what this particular flower is called, but I just love the color. I picked that up, and also I got some what are these called? What is this called again? Is it flower buds, or I even forgot? But yeah, I picked those up too. And you know, I'm just gonna do a very simple flower arrangement, because of course I love having something live, you know, in my home, especially when it comes to flowers. Of course, I love my fake flowers, but of course also I love fresh flowers, because they just give, there's this smell, you know, they give my home, and I absolutely love it. And yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. Please don't forget to hit that like button below. Please guys, don't forget to give me my like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And in that note, it's gonna be lights off. And yep guys, till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.